Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to check battery health using Ampere app on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open Play Store, and right here we have to click on the search, and here we have to type Ampere that we have to install. Now we have to open this up. Here I have to click consent, OK, and that is half of our battery. And as you can see, it says that our battery is good. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!